Welcome back, everybody. Today we're at the farm here, and I'm going to show you how we put all these hutches back together. So I just have to put all the back gates back on, put all the U-bolts in and stuff, and I'll put the front gates on. So let's get to work and do that. Fit them all, and then I'll move in some calves out in the stalls that we put together yesterday. We'll put those together, put the calves in, and then I'll be all set. So let's get to work. So what I do is just give them one full scoop of this, and just kind of throw it in there, and they'll kind of spread it around on their own. Just kind of spread it around for them too at the same time. Alright, everybody, now that we got the sauce cart filled up and that filled up, let's go get these calves out and bring them down. This will be pretty challenging, I know it will be, but let's give it a try. I'm going to set you up right down here. Catch everything. Okay guys, after I got all those calves out, now I have to clean out the pens. I'm just gonna push right in the gutter here. That's what I'll do. But bringing those calves out was a lot of hard work. They just fought. They wouldn't let me take them. But I had some easy ones. But I got them all down there. So now Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to see the real construction on how we put all the hutches together, go to Willink Farms Dairy. I'll put a link in the description for the YouTube channel. Have a good one.